tonight. And she's the one who will only let the if he agrees to have sex with her. Donald insists he never agreed to repay Desiree for a loan, and he's countersuing for harassment.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Greg Mathis presides.
Honor.
We now be seated.
Okay, so I've been dating Donald for about 4 or 5 years. In November,
Beginning when?
October 2011. We have a 3-year-old son together. And in November, I found out he was cheating. He was.
November of what?
2015.
Okay.
He was talking to other girls. He was meeting up with them. He was saying hello, beautiful, hello, sexy. So I was done with them. He was still seeing his son.
Tell me about the makeup.
He his son, though, is for us to have sex. The only time he wanted to see his son.
In the house when he...
Oh no, he was.